Heard the news. Gear oil changes don't need to cost a fortune. Let's dive into a simple DIY method that's easy and quick. First, gather your supplies. A wrench set, a drain pan, fresh gear oil, and some rags. Start by lifting your car safely with a jack, and secure it on jack stands. Locate the gear oil drain plug, typically found on the differential. Place your drain pan underneath, and remove the plug, letting the old oil flow out. Once it's drained, replace the plug and find the fill plug, usually higher up on the differential. Open the fill plug and, using a pump or a bottle, pour in the fresh gear oil. Fill it up until the oil starts to seep out of the fill hole. That's your cue that it's full. Lastly, replace the fill plug and wipe down any spills. Lower your car back to the ground and give yourself a pat on the back. You've just changed your gear oil and saved some money. Happy driving.